Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Om Bhurvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now see, what are we going to do today? Discipline. I think what we have done in our previous class. Any one of you can tell me what we have done in our previous class. Yes, everyone.
Chapter number 4 in workbook.
Chapter number 4 in workbook. 3 is complete. Means it is going on, na? Chapter number 4. We are going to start, right?
Ma'am, you said that we have to play quiz.
Yes, Bhayani, I am asking that what we have done in our previous class. I didn't ask about quiz.
Ma'am, we have done about.
Yes, now
Ma'am,
we are
have
going.
done about that phrases part. Ma'am, phrases part.
Okay. Now today we are going to start fourth number workbook. Fourth one. The most haunted places in India. The Daily Scoop. Friday, 26th October 2018. We are going to read the things. Now see the most haunted places in India. Who will start reading?
Ma'am, can I read Mannat Arya?
Wait, beta, Mannat. Wait for a while. I will ask you to read, okay? Wait. You have to... Yes. Everyone, see what's the strength of your class now? It's almost 24 students. Means 23. Good. Start reading, Mannat. After you, I will ask another one.
Okay, ma'am. The Daily Scoop. Friday, 26 October 2018. The most haunted place in India. Staff reporter. It is that spooky time of the year again. The film channels on TV are filled with American horror films, and Halloween is all over the internet. So keeping in mind that creepy happenings, we have put together a short list of most haunted places in India. Hangar Fort, Alwar. This fort is said to be one of the most haunted places in India. The most popular story is that a wizard fall in love with a princess and made a potion to capture her. However, she found out about his plan and threw the potion against a large rock. This destroyed the wizard. While dying, he cursed.
Now, yes, Bhayani, read the word meaning, hollow and portion, and then after continue reading. Yes, Bhayani.
Okay, ma'am. Halloween is a festival in America, the night of 31 October, which is celebrated by children who dress in costumes and ask for sweets, chocolates, or other treats from their neighbors. Potion.
Okay.
A liquid with healing or magical powers.
Okay. Now start continue after Mannat. While dying.
While dying, he caused hunger, and soon after it was completely destroyed in a war. There is a board on the fort gate which states tourists and forbidden to enter before sunrise and after sunset. But even though many people come to the fort because they have heard the chilling stories, we are seeing the deputy
the deputy superintendent archaeologist Jaipur Circle saying, all these stories are not true. The fort is not haunted.
Okay, stop. Very good. Now, wait, this will not help. You have to take question in the chat box. It is too noisy. Jay, off your mic. Jay Sarvalia, off your mic. Now don't be unmute without any reason. Whenever I ask you to read, then only you people will read. Priyanshu Maizadia, on your camera and start reading.
Okay, ma'am.
On your camera.
Tunnel number 33103 Shimla. There are hundreds of ghost stories about the Shimla Kalka railway track and the tunnels that are found along the way. These stories have been around for hundreds of years. It is said that once when near the voice of British railway engineer while passing through these tunnels. Apparently, the voice is a rather friendly one.
Okay, now stop. Next one. Very good, Priyanshu. Next, let me. Jay, on your camera and start reading. Jay Sarvalia. Jay Sarvalia, on your camera and start reading. Yes, Veer, you can ask your doubt, Veer.
Ma'am, what is meaning of superintending?
Superintending or means the head. Okay, deputy superintendent means the observer of work. Okay, superintendent means observer. The person who is responsible about the all work assigned by the authority. Right, how to get it complete, how to plan the things. All these duties are assigned to the superintendent. Now, Jay Sarvalia. Your mic and camera and start reading. Yes, on your camera and mic and start reading. Jay Sarvalia. Yes. All right. Now start another one. Rishabh Gandhi, on your camera and start reading. Rishabh.
Yes, ma'am. The Heroes Star Kotla Delhi. The ghost that was really haunted is the 14th century that are full. According to the right to the Regines who retained the live in the fortress and
Okay, next one. Feren Hill Hotel Uti. Now see, I'm going to
may I read?
Sham Bhimani, on your camera and start reading.
Ma'am, may I read?
I asked Sham. On your camera, Sham, and start reading. Sham.
Well, may I read, Nishtha?
The students speak up to whom I assigned. Sham Bhimani. Sham Bhimani.
May I read? Swaraswami.
You are Sham Bhimani? Are you Sham Bhimani? Are you Sham Bhimani? Okay, Sham Gami, you can start.
This hotel no shut down due to a story about the ghost because of a strange include that the happen on the set of a Hindi film. Ethnographic Sojo and her group of a dancer had settled down to sleep one night when someone began to in the room above.
Okay. Good. Now next one, who will read the Nishtha? Okay, Nishtha and one girl was there also who was asking. Jia Desai. Jia Desai, read the meanings on page number 21. Cursed means?
Ma'am, what meanings na? Ma'am, we
Yes,
have to read.
Yes, yes.
Cursed. Said magical words would bring harm to the person. Sure. Cursed. Who books together the stack of a being for a group of people.
Okay. Now see one important thing. Worksheet we are going to solve at the time of revision, as a part of revision. So don't worry about the worksheet, okay? Let us finish all syllabus, then we will practice worksheet with revisions, right? Any doubt? Any doubt?
Ma'am, in English PA1 exam there will be MCQ based.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next, wait for a while. Ashutosh, on your camera and start reading the last passage. Soon the screeching and slamming sounds became so loud. Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Because
On your camera, beta. Good. Now start reading.
Ma'am, Ashutosh's voice is not clear.
Ashutosh, little bit louder, beta.
Finally, some of the crew members went down to complain only to have total staff point out that there was no
Okay. Now see, we are going to solve the question answers for the worksheet comprehension passage. I hope that all of you will find it interesting.
Ma'am,
Let's see. Yes, beta.
ma'am, I
Yes, Nishtha.
have visited, means I have seen this.
Nishtha, you are not clearly audible, beta. I can't get you what you are trying to say.
Ma'am, please tell Jai Karwalia to mute himself.
Now you can speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that I have seen this Pond Hill Hotel.
Okay. So have you visited it or not?
No, ma'am, I haven't visited, but I have seen.
Okay. Means when you were on the trip of Ooty, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, now we are going to solve the exercises. Okay. Let's start. Make these sentences as true or not true. First one. Who will read it?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Read and answer.
Okay, ma'am. The new A. Mark these sentences as true or not true. First, the news article was written because there was a lot of talk about Halloween on the internet and TV. NT.
Yes, it's true. Second one. Bhangar fort was cursed by a dying princess. True or not true?
False. False.
Not true. It is not true, beta. Not true. Bhangar fort was cursed by a wizard. Now third one. A friendly British railway engineer is supposed to haunt the Shimla-Kalka train.
True.
True or not true?
True.
Not true.
Ma'am,
True?
it is. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
it yes, it is.
Ma'am, say Kavya to mute.
Mute yourself, beta. The legends at Feroz Shah Kolta are said to help those who write to them about their problems.
True. True.
Now fifth one. The incident at Farron Hill Hotel was scary because the group of dancers heard noises coming from a floor that did not exist. True or not true? True. Okay, now see, write the meanings for these words. Popular means
Famous.
or enjoyed by many people. Jai Sarvalia, will you please mute yourself? Since starting you are disturbing the class. Mute yourself, Sarvalia. Don't be unmute now. And if you do so, I will disconnect you and lock the meeting. This is last warning to you. Now see B1. Popular, who will tell me the meaning? Popular,
Famous.
yes.
Famous.
Famous or liked or enjoyed by?
Liked or enjoyed by people.
Enjoyed by many people. Very good. Now next word. Killing.
Exciting. Frightening.
Fear. Preaching. Making an unpleasant high loud noise. Now grammar. Pick the compound sentences that have the correct coordinating conjunctions. Rewrite the incorrect sentences with the correct coordinating conjunctions. Start writing. First one. One day we were in the park. We saw two ducks swimming by. What would be the answer?
By the pond. By the pond.
When आएगा? Write down. First answer.
Ma'am, that was very survival. Ma'am, that was Jay Sarvalia.
Try to mute.
Now see next one. One day we were in the park. Write down. When we saw.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Two ducks.
We cannot see full means full board.
Wait, beta. I am shifting the camera. Wait for a while. Someone's camera is on, beta. Please switch off your camera so that you people can see me properly. Sarvaria, how many times Jay Sarvaria.
Ma'am, please write.
Jay Sarvaria. Jay, on your camera, I want to see you, beta. On your camera. Jay Sarvaria, on your camera. Jay Sarvaria, on your camera, what are you doing? I want to see you.
Excuse me,
Jay,
ma'am.
I didn't excuse anyone. I am speaking with Jay now. Jay.
My network
What are you
problem.
doing, beta? Beta, you are having network problem. It doesn't mean that all the time you have to be on mute. Follow discipline. Now don't be on mute next time. You can switch off your camera now. Yes. Now see, write down. Second sentence.
Ma'am, now can I ask my doubt?
Yes, Nishtha.
Ma'am, please look at my camera once. Ma'am, as a very little space is given there, so I have written like this. Is it okay?
Very good. Yes, yes, very good, Nishtha. Even see, I have also drew lines. Okay, I have drew lines to complete the writing. Now second one, very good. Keep it up, Nishtha. Good handwriting. We watched the ducks for a while, so they swam away into the tall grass. Write down. Second one.
What?
We watched. Who will answer the second question? The
Ma'am,
duck.
may I?
Yes, beta.
What?
For a while. Until they swam away into the tall grass. Now, third one. Now let's write third question.
So what to write after away?
What happened? Until they.
Ma'am, that second one is after
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. What happened? What happened?
Ma'am, after into
द्विजा तो गड़िया Now third question. The ducks might have gone to their nest and they could have swum to the shore. Write down. The ducks might have gone to their nest
Ma'am, I didn't understood the second one.
Beta, here we need to use the conjunction, coordinating conjunction which fixes the sentence. We watched the ducks for a while. हमने ducks को थोड़ी देर देखा जब तक वो बड़े से ग्राफ के अंदर नहीं जाते. Right, जब तक, until. So is not the what we call appropriate coordinating conjunction over here. So we use until. Now the ducks might have gone to their nest or they could have swam to the shore. We walked along the side of the pond, but we could not see them anywhere. Very good. Correct sentence. Just put a tick there. Now fifth one. We sat on a beach and soon out come the ducks again. Correct sentence. Now next one. Grammar question B. Join these sentences using the correct coordinating conjunctions from the box. See here what I have done. I have driven the small lines. Okay, I have written it in small handwriting. If you want to do like me, you can do. Otherwise, you need to write in your FNB. Choice is yours. Now see the next question. Question B. Join these sentences using the correct coordinating conjunctions.
Ma'am, can we write in FNB by putting grammar heading?
Yes. You can write in workbook itself or you can write in FNB. Choice is yours. I want neat and clean handwriting, not more than this. Now see, I don't want to argue with you. I don't want to give in. Now who will answer the question?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, beta Dvija.
I don't want to argue with you, yet I don't want to give in.
I don't want to argue with you, but...
Ma'am, answer is
God.
God.
Yes. But I don't want to give in. Neeraj studied for the test. He got good marks.
Ma'am, can I? Nishtha?
Yes.
Neeraj studied for the test and he got good marks.
So he got good marks. What? So. So he got good marks. Now we can watch a film, we can play cricket. We can watch a film or we can play a cricket. Yes. Yes, write down. We can watch a film or we can cricket. I left the house late. I managed to catch the bus. I left the house late. 8. I managed to catch the bus. Fourth one. Write down the fourth answer.
Then the answer is north.
8 beta. 8.
Yet, ma'am, yet.
Write down. I left the house late. I left the house late. Late. I managed to catch the bus. I managed to catch the bus.
Please tell Amna to mute herself.
Amna Payak, without any reason, why you people are getting unmute? It is not good, beta. All the time I have to tell you that mute yourself, mute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am. My mom said that which class is yours, so by mistake my mom said unmute.
Who will answer the fifth one?
And, ma'am, may I? And.
Very good, beta. And Sarah can bake a cake. Now, there was no one there. The decorations were not put up.
So the decorations were not up.
No. There was no one there. No one there. Nor the decorations put up. Okay. Now vocabulary. Play this game into two teams. Okay, this is the game, right? Now let's see the writing. Write a letter to a friend.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, if I write like this way, then it's...
Yes, Dija, I have explained you that.
Ma'am, type please 1 minute.
Now write down. Write a letter to a friend inviting him her to spend the holidays with you. Describe what you have planned for the summer holidays and ask your friend to let you know when and how they will be arriving at your home. Okay? Let me drink water for a while. Till then you people can complete this.
Ma'am.
Alright. Complete, good. Now see letter writing.
Ma'am, I also complete.
Good. Now we are going to write a letter. Yes, everyone. Start writing a letter. Address Vasant Vihar.
Ma'am, we can write our home address.
Yes, you can write. Vaudi.
Ma'am, we can write our address.
Yes, beta, I have told you to write. Morbi.
Ma'am, time is over. Writing book.
Time is over.
Ma'am, your video is lost.
Till 12 o'clock we are having this lecture. Don't make hurry to leave the class. Don't be in hurry. 10 minutes are remaining. Yes, Ashutosh is right. The date 17/3/2021. Yes.
Ma'am, today I have written everything with pencil, so is it okay? May I say that?
Now start writing. How are you? How can you write? Anyone of you interested to write the sentences or you want to write with me? I am writing you.
Ma'am, may I tell?
I am writing you. I am writing you with some exciting things.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written today's work with pencil, so is it okay?
Yes, but next time use pen, okay? My child.
Ma'am, you have to write dear after a friend.
What happened? What happened to your side?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my parents have के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Agreed. A-G-R-E-E-D. Agreed.
Ma'am, what do you write after holidays? Is okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what you write after which?
With some exciting news. I have already
Ma'am.
planned.
Ma'am, after summer holidays, we have to see like writing something in that box. 2 years.
Listen. If
Ma'am,
you
this
people
is advertise.
at the time, if you all speak at the time, it can't work out. I'm not having 10 or 15 years. I'm having only 2 years and I'm using only one for online class. Because it is too risky for us to use Bluetooth all day. Why can't you people understand that we are suffering a lot? Don't shout in the class. If you are not interested, leave the class. If I'm telling you each and every word I'm reading for you, then also you people are having studies. I can understand that you people can have queries, but it doesn't mean that shouting at a time. If you are having queries, you can ask in chat box. Don't be on mute without any reason. Who is typing in chat box? Divya Harvadia?
Yes, ma'am. Divya Harvadia.
What happened, Divya Harvadia? On your camera, Divya, I want to see you. Divya Harvadia, on your camera.
Ma'am, before you also send me in private also.
Yes. Yes, Ashutosh, you have to skip one line after this paragraph. Okay? You people are having
Ma'am.
one after you. आशुतोष का हर काम कंप्लीट होता है. Take your responsibility. Every day I have seen his notebook also. आशुतोष के मम्मी पापा दोनों बाहर होते तो भी वो घर पे अकेले बैठ के स्कूल का काम कंप्लीट करता है एकदम अच्छे से. And you people are having everyone at home. Then also you are having lot of doubts and without any reason you are getting confused. Be attentive enough. I have already planned something for us.
Ma'am, your board is not coming full.
Better tap on it.
Ma'am, I tapped, but that ABC answer is not coming full. Yes, ma'am, now it's okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then time is over.
One line. Ma'am, instead of skipping one line after this how are you while a paragraph finishes, can I skip some place and then write, because I am having only 3 lines remaining.
Yes.
Ma'am, my only 2 lines remaining.
Yes. See, I am showing you my work, and see, only few minutes are remaining. So I am sending you the picture of workbook. You people have to complete it at home as
Ma'am,
Alright?
you will also send chapter 3 and chapter 4 too?
Each and every word is given to you in class. I have written everything on the board. Then also you need PDF. Alright, I will send you the PDF. But listen me, the remaining part of writing letter and spelling, you have to complete at home from the PDF file. I will send it to you soon, today itself.
Ma'am, can you send me the PDF of chapter 2 of workbook, because I was absent?
Yes, beta, I will send it to you. Now it's time of presenting you your presenting. Okay? I am going to take your presenting. Be attentive enough. Type your present in chat box. No one will speak unnecessarily.
Ma'am,
Alright?
excuse me, ma'am.
See, I will send you whole 1 to 4 chapters PDF of workbook. Complete whatever is your incomplete work in workbook. And about worksheet, we are going to solve worksheet at the time of revision. So don't worry about it. Right? Now see, Mahi Aghara, present hai Mahi.
1 minute.
Sarah Aghara.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, मैम
सारंग घारा, मन्नत आर्या, मुबीन बक्सरिया.
मैम मन्नत आर्या प्रेजेंट.
Yes, Bhayani. Beta, I asked you to type in the chat box. Then why are you getting on?
प्रेजेंट.
Mubin, I asked to type in the chat box. Follow rules. Sham Bhimani, Soumya Bhimani, Jay Charola, Bhavya Sai, New Dawa, Jia Desai, Dev Pepper, Sham Gami. Dev Pepper is present. Sham Gami, Mr. Gandhi, Nishtha Gule, Divya Harvadia, Yashika Jain, Veer Kaila, Priyanshu Majadia, Darshil Narania, Nirva Panchotia. Yes, beta, I will put Smith present. Don't worry, Rita.
Present.
Darshil Narania present. Nirva Panchotia, Harry Patel, Hero Pokali, Niyati Rayani, Akshara Rampara, Hir Sarodia, Veer Sarsavadia. Darshil, shut up. I didn't ask you to speak. Swara Soni.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Swara.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Not excuse, Yash. If you are having any doubt, you have to ask permission in the chat box first.
Ma'am, I don't have doubt about.
Kavya Vadera, Soumya Trivedi, Kavya Vadera, Soumya Trivedi, Ridisha, Smith Vasani, present. Ashutosh Singh present. Dhey present. Okay. Nirva Panchotia, why you are so late to reply? Khana khane बैठी थी क्या Nirva? Be attentive in the class. If you won't present, if you won't say present 3 times, then I will put your absence in the class. Did I ask you to speak? Today's homework: complete the incomplete work of workbook with the help of PDF file. Have a good day. Now you can leave class.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आपने कहा था कि आप है ना क्विज की लिंक भेजेंगे परसों क्या नहीं
Yes, beta, sure.
फ्राइडे को तो थर्सडे को.
Yes, I am having it with me. But now, work completion is important task for you people. Okay, like 7th standard, we will play quizzes in online class itself. And then, if possible, I will send you the links as homework. Okay, but today you have to complete your remaining part of workbook. It is your homework for today. Now you can leave the class. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Bye beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.